I'm Sara Huston, and I am trained as a geneticist. I have a master's degree in medical genetics, mostly worked in the medical field and forensics fields. I am a research assistant professor at Northwestern University's Feinberg School of Medicine and Lurie Children's Hospital of Chicago, and I co-lead the global FamDNA working group at the Buffett Institute for Global Affairs. Our group is trying to understand what the barriers and facilitators are for using DNA data to help reunify families that have been forcibly separated due to disasters, conflict, and immigration. We're focusing on Ukraine because at the start of the conflict with Russia, nearly 20,000 children were taken from Ukraine into Russia. The global missing persons infrastructure is pretty weak. Is not yet a global strategy to collect DNA from the families of these children so that those children have a way to quickly reunify with their families if they come to the surface. We started this research when during the first Trump administration, there were 5,000 families that were separated due to the zero tolerance policy at the US-Mexico border. And at that time, we heard the desire of the government to use DNA testing to reunify those families. And in fact, DNA testing is used to help reunify these families. But the DNA testing has not been done as a database standard. It's been done as a one-to-one verification, which actually delays reunification. There should be a DNA database to structure reunification better. If we want to use those data for humanitarian purposes, then those data should not also be used in ways that can be harmful to families. So it's important that we have structures that can safeguard data, and there are ways to use civil organizations, nonprofits, NGOs to protect data from subpoena by government. This has opened a broad set of research ethics questions, logistics questions, practical questions, legal barriers that are very large to overcome. And we imagine that the structures that we are hoping to establish on a global level will be beneficial for future separations in the United States or elsewhere around the globe. So we're very excited for this project to see where it goes.